Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are watching this video, that's mean you have completed the Design Tokens 101 course. If you are watching this course from Udemy, so Udemy will issue for you the certificate. And if you are watching this course from YouTube, I will give you the certificate. But there is one more step you have to do before I issue for you the certificate. Okay? If you remember, in this course we have 2 tasks. Now I have updated these 2 tasks. So sorry if you did these tasks before, I need you to redo it. Let me show you actually what is the new tasks. If you remember, one of the tasks we were talking about to create a story for component token name. And I give you 2 examples for background color and also the font color. But the task now only for you to create a story for border color and border width, not anything else. Because for our current case, border color and border width can be different between the pattern states. I mean, can be different between if this pattern default, hover, focus, disabled. This is the first task. And the second task, actually, we were talking about a complex example of component specific tokens, and I showed you actually how I name the option tokens, alias tokens, and component specific tokens, and link them together and assign it to my button. You can take a decision. My button will be looks like this. Okay. And regarding the task for this specific part, I need you also to give me the option tokens and alias tokens and component specific token names, but for border radius, font size, padding X, padding Y. And regarding padding X, that means this is spacing right and left, and padding Y here from top and bottom. And be careful here, because border radius, font size, padding X and padding Y, normally it's not different between the states. It's not different between this button is default or hover or focus or disable. It's not different between this button is primary, secondary, tertiary, and so on. Usually the border radius, font size, padding X and padding Y can be different between button sizes. So I want to see actually how you think for this component specific name here, because it should be different than this structure. Okay. Once you did these 2 tasks, I need you just to take screenshots and find this form link in the video description. Okay. You just share with me your honest feedback about this course. And from this part, you can upload these screenshots here. So I will receive your response and I will review the task and share with you my feedback. Then also I will issue for you the certificate. But now the most important question, what's next? Okay, I will show you here my advanced course about design tokens from basic to mastery. This course duration actually is 6 weeks and no pre-recorded videos. All the sessions will be live. So we have 12 sessions. Okay, each session from 3 hours to 4 hours, and you will get 12 different activities, some individual activities and some group activities. Okay. And if you wanted to know actually this course details, you just can go here and see what's included in week number 1, what's included in week number 2, and so on. Okay, you can also here collapse or expand the week details. You can see what's inside. And also, one of the most important thing I need you to take a look before you take a decision to join the next cohort is you take a look about this students' feedback. Okay, so take your time, read all of this feedback, and once you are ready to join the waiting list for the next cohort, you just come here and fill this form. I will receive your contacts and I will contact you once we open for the next cohort. Now the cohort number 2 will start 1st of November 2025. And if you wanted to join it, just fill this form and I will contact you. So at the end, thanks so much for your commitment to completing this course, and congratulations, and see you next course. Bye.